Hello everyone! In today's lesson we're going to review direct and indirect object pronouns. We're going to learn how to use them and how to identify them. So let's begin with direct object pronouns. In both English and Spanish we have singular and plural object pronouns. In the form of yo, it would be me, tú, te, él or usted, lo, ella or usted, la. Nos, for nosotros. Os, for vosotros in Spain only. Los, ellos, and las, ellas. So, the direct object in a sentence generally is the noun that follows and is affected by the verb. It answers the question what or who. So, for example, Carla siempre consigue boletos gratis. Carla always gets free tickets. So in this sentence, the word boletos is our direct object. So if we want to replace that, it would be Carla siempre los consigue gratis. Carla gets them for free. That would be the equivalent. So direct object pronouns agree in gender and number. For example, vi el partido de los Giants ayer. The direct object in this sentence would be el partido, and because it's singular masculine, I replace it with lo. Lo vi ayer. Notice that lo goes before the verb. So now in the sentence, invité a María a comer. In this case, María will be my direct object. We just said that in general, the direct object follows the verb. It's just that I need an a personal. So if I want to replace María, it will be la invité a comer. So now let's take a look at indirect object pronouns. Just like direct object pronouns, we also have singular and plural. So in the form of yo, it will be me, tú, te, but él and ella is le, nosotros, nos, again, os, just in Spain, and then les for ellos, ellas. So, indirect objects indicate to or for whom an action is carried out, or to or for whom a noun is given. So, let's take a look at the sentence. El joven muestra la tarea a su madre. So in this case, la tarea is my direct object. That is what he is showing. And a su madre is for whom the noun is shown. She will be the indirect object. So again, el joven muestra la tarea a su madre. So then we will replace su madre with le. El joven le muestra la tarea. Notice that the indirect object also goes before the verb. So the equivalent in English will be the boy shows her the homework. So in Spanish we can have indirect object pronouns and direct object pronouns together. For example, te exijo una respuesta. Te is the indirect object and una respuesta is the direct object. So in this case it will be te la exijo. Notice that the indirect object goes before the direct object and then the rest of the sentence. So when I have a verb and infinitive and a verb in a progressive form, the direct object goes right after them. So for instance, voy a visitar a mis amigas. Again, mis amigas is the direct object because follows the verb. Voy a visitarlas. Estoy visitando a mis amigas. Estoy visitándolas. So notice how the direct object just goes right next to the verb. Okay, and that's it for today.